What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti remote key fob. So this remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to need is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can set that to the side. Now if we take a look at the bottom, kind of near where we just pulled that key out of, just below it, there's two little notches. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up, but there's one here and one here. What we're going to do is put our flathead screwdriver in that notch and then twist, and then come over here and do the same thing, twist, and it'll start popping the case apart. Now you may be able to just pull it the rest of the way with your fingers. If not, what you want to do is if you take your screwdriver and just very carefully kind of run it along the edge, it'll pop it the rest of the way apart. Just go slowly and carefully. You don't want to damage the case or accidentally slip and stab yourself in the hand. But once you get the case all the way apart, we can see our battery right here. You can use your screwdriver just to help get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down like that. And then go ahead and just snap the two halves back together. Make sure those are all the way snapped together. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.